Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day everybody. Okay, so in this video, you will learn how to find articles from journal database. Okay, and I'm Madam Niziani. Okay, so first, I want you to go to our library website, psnz.umt.my. Okay, then scroll down and look for this e-resources. Okay, so here you can see on your left side, on the left panel here, there are some of the options. Okay, like you may go to e-journals, e-books, science and technology, discipline, social sciences, and for this video I'll focus on social sciences database only. Okay, and that is specifically, you may explore all of this yourself later, but in this video I'll just focus on Springer Link. Okay, all right, so click Springer Link. Go look for this sort of, what do you call this whatever wheel symbol or tool symbol, setting symbol. Okay, click advanced search. Okay, say my topic is about cyberbullying and I want to look into factors of cyberbullying, and I am actually example, now I already have some ideas on factors of cyberbullying. Okay, like I randomly put punishment, revenge, fun, and jealousy. So let's say I want to find some readings or some supports for fun. How fun element becomes the factor or one of the factors of cyberbullying. Okay, so in this advanced search, I may write the keyword of cyberbullying, sorry, and fun. Okay, and then we want to control the year or the duration. So as I said, I allow you to look for sources within 6 years of time. Okay, please uncheck this one and click search. Okay, now you can see there are 35 results or 35 possible articles that relate to or which are related to cyberbullying and fun. Okay, and on this left side over here, you can see all these 35 articles come from various disciplines like psychology, medicine, business, criminology, and education. Okay. Okay, and another thing about this is you have to look for the one that has open access label, because that's the only that shows that the article is free for you to download. Okay, so there are some open access articles here, some are not open access. Okay, so let's say I choose this one. Okay, in order for me to know whether or not this article is worth for me to read and is related to my main points or not, I can read the abstract first. Okay, so when I read this abstract, when I read the results, okay. Okay, look at this last part. In addition, the study in this article revealed reasons for cyberbullying that also potentially reflect the collectivistic values of Asian societies. These reasons included fun, discrimination, jealousy, revenge, and punishment of peers who broke school or social rules or norms, for example, by cheating others or being promiscuous. Okay, so now I know from this abstract, there is the element that I've been looking for. So it is worth for me to download this article. So I click download PDF. So now there you go, you got the article. Okay, and these are the writers. Okay, there are 8 writers altogether here. The article is published in 2019, which is so recent, and it is from BMC Public Health Journal. Okay, this is the name, or this is the title of the journal. This is the title of the article. I felt angry, but I couldn't do anything about it. A qualitative study of cyberbullying among Taiwanese high school students. So, okay, if I want to cut things short, or No, I just can find keyword of fun. Control F, you type you press Control F just now, and then type the keyword of fun, then enter, and it will lead you to any part of this article that has the keyword of fun. Okay, so for example here, this is the result of the article, or of the study, sorry, result of the article. Motivation for cyberbullying for fun. Okay, nearly half of the participants reported that the most common reason for cyberbullying was for entertainment or for fun. One participant stated they felt that it was fun to post his videos on the Facebook page. His here refers to a classmate with emotional disorders. So it's just for fun. All these bullies, they did that for fun. Okay, that is the reason, right? That's the factor of why they were doing this, why they cyberbullied their friend. It's for fun. Okay. Now from here, okay, I copy this. Okay. Because remember, you have to paste it here for your example. Because remember, you have to later on paraphrase your work. Remember, you cannot just simply directly take from there. It has to be paraphrased. So from here, nearly half of the participants reported that the most common reason for cyberbullying was for entertainment or for fun. One of the participants stated they felt that it was fun to post his or her his videos on the Facebook page. Okay, now I want you to try paraphrase this or summarize this. Up to you. You can do both, or you can do you can do both. You can do paraphrasing. You can also do summarizing for this. Okay, so let's try out. What will you get? Okay, if I were you, when I look at this content, which again I took it from here, the article. When I see this, nearly half of the participants reported that most common reason for cyberbullying was for entertainment. One of the participants said they felt it was fun to post his classmate videos on the Facebook page. I may write it this way. Okay, copy this again. Yeah. Wow, that's too big. Okay, let's not copy here. Let's just try to write my own version of the paraphrase or summary. As far as I remember, the content just now was saying like nearly half cyberbully or bully the victims for entertainment. So I may write something like entertainment has been proven as one of the reasons why cyberbullies or why people bully other people in cyber. Entertainment has been proven as one of the reasons why people bully other people in cyber or online. Okay, that's the same, right? Because I don't want to be using the same word from the original, so I use online. Okay. And remember, you have to have the citations. So I have to cite according to again all this, because we have eight writers here. There are a lot. So for 8 writers, as far as I am concerned and as far as I know, we only have to mention the first author's surname followed by et al. Okay. Even example has been given here, Wang et al. Okay. Alright, so according to Wang et al. 2019, okay, entertainment has been proven as one of the reasons why people bully other people online. This is my summary if I don't want to give the example. If I paraphrase, I can give the example of that particular one participant saying the cyber bullies bullied the friend, bullied the one friend.